If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install iOS 17 Beta 3 right now. Apple has released iOS 17 Beta 3 for iPhone users who are active in the developer beta testing program for iPhone system software. To update to iOS 17 Beta 3, open the Settings app. Next, go to General, and then go to Software Update. Now, choose to download and install for iOS 17 Beta 3. As is typical, the iPhone must restart to complete installation. Technically speaking, anyone can install iOS 17 Beta on iPhone by enrolling in the free Apple Developer Program. Separately, Apple has also released beta updates to iPadOS 17 Beta 3, macOS Sonoma Beta 3, tvOS 17 Beta 3, and watchOS Beta 3. iOS 17 includes a variety of new features for iPhone, including interactive widgets on the home screen, customizable contact posters when calling people in the phone app, name drop for easily exchanging contact information similar to AirDrop, FaceTime video voicemail calls, Safari profiles, live transcripts for voicemail, and many other smaller features and changes. Beta system software is buggier than final version of system software, and developer betas are intended for advanced users who have tolerance for things like app crashing, reduced performance, reduced battery life, and other error behavior that is commonly experienced in beta versions of system software. A public beta of iOS 17 is expected to be available soon, which is a more appropriate release track for more casual users. But even then, it's better to run beta system software on secondary devices that are not critical to your computing and smartphone life. The final version of iOS 17 will be available for all iPhone users this fall. Separately, Beta 3 of iPadOS 17, macOS Sonoma Beta 3, watchOS 10 Beta 3, and tvOS 17 Beta 3 are also available to beta testers. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.